Morning, it's Andy from A4 Building Services on this church at Swinton. It's been a good few weeks now since I did an update, but there's been quite a few changes. I'll spin the camera around and let's go and have a look. So on the outside, as you can see, the roof's been started. It's all been stripped off, felted, battened, obviously the scaffold's up. So that's all ready to be re-slated using the existing slate where possible. There is a few need replacing because they were damaged, but coming round onto this side, can't really see, but that's all been felted and battened on that side. It's just that little outrigger there at the back that still needs stripping off, felting and battening. We've put in a new trench right the way down the side, which is going to take a new electric main from this corner right the way to the back end, and it's going to go through into the basement. We are now at the back of the church. As you can see, again, it's all been felted and battened, ready to take the slates. There's 3 Veluxes going in this side, and we're having 4 in each side of the main hall going through. We'll just go for a little walk inside. Got the new drains dug out there, ready to be connected up for the toilets, coming through into what will be the reception. There's been a change now. There's going to be 5 toilets in here, mix of ladies and gents toilets, all with basins. They're all dug out, ready to go. Obviously, we've got to install the new drains yet. Over here, where it was going to be a cleaner's store, is now going to be where the shower is. That allows us then to get a mixture of 5 ladies and gents toilets in, and also the disabled toilet, which is going in here, approximately. And then coming through, if you remember on the last video, there was a big wall here with a chimney breast in it. That's now been taken out. Right the way up, there's been 2 large crank steels put in and lintels in above to support the chimney going out through the roof. So all this is going to be boarded, insulated, all the external walls insulated. Down that end's where the kitchen's going to be. It's going to come round in a U shape around those walls. And then coming through into this bit was going to be a podcast studio. It's now going to be part of the canteen area. So there's going to be seating, bench seating going round. That window's now staying. There's a chimney come out in here as well. And a big steel gone in, obviously to support that chimney above. Nice and bright and blue in here at the minute because obviously there's no slates on the roof. It's just the felt coming through. And then as we go through into what's going to be the main hall, we've got a temporary scaffold deck up, which is one of the things that started what everything has now changed to. So originally, there was going to be 2 large offices down here, one either side, and then open area for desking going on from that. And then upstairs, there was going to be a 7 metre by 10 metre mezzanine floor that there was going to be an office either side, glass office either side, basically. But since this temporary deck's the clients decided, why we're wasting all that space? Let's put a full first floor in. So the floor itself is actually going to be about 300mm lower than what this is. So there will be head height on these bars to conform with building regs. There's going to be 8 Velux windows going in, roughly 1 in each bay, 4 either side. All this is obviously going to be felted and battened, and then this up here is going to be all open desk space, which allows us in the downstairs bit to then get 8 single offices, double offices, whatever they're going to be. So yeah, quite a lot of changes gone on really. Obviously we've pulled all the ceilings down. We're ready to start insulating and boarding probably in the next week or so. Then we can start getting the plasterers in and whatever else, start really cracking on with it then. Still a staircase going down here. That's going to be through into the canteen. This is going to be quite an amazing space when it's all done and dusted. But I will try and get some more videos on as we keep going.